Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a new member to your family group on Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed into the Google account that manages your family group. This is important because only the account with family management access will be able to send an invitation to a new member. When you are on the Gmail home screen, look to the upper right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is the small circular image or initial associated with your Google account. Clicking here opens a quick account menu where you can access your account settings. From that menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you away from your inbox and into your main Google account dashboard, where you can adjust settings related to your profile, privacy, security, and shared account features like your family group. Once you are in your Google account area, move to the left side of the screen and click on Family. This section is where Google organizes family-related settings, including members, invitations, and shared services. If you do not immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the side navigation carefully. After opening the Family section, click Send Invitation. This starts the process of adding a new person to your family group. At this stage, Google may show you some information about how family groups work, such as sharing services or membership limits. Read through any on-screen notes so you understand what will happen before continuing. Next, type the email address of the person you want to add. Be sure to enter it carefully so the invitation goes to the correct account. After that, simply follow the instructions shown on your screen to complete the invitation process. Depending on your account settings, Google may ask you to confirm the action or review the details before the invitation is sent. Once the invitation has been submitted, the person you invited will need to accept it from their own account before they officially become part of your family group. If the invitation does not seem to go through right away, double-check the email address and watch for any prompts or eligibility messages from Google. And that's it. You've now seen how to start adding a new member to your Gmail family group using your Google account settings.